Let's start with the first posture, which is known as Marjari Asan, Bitilasan, or the cat-cow pose. For this, we will start in a tabletop position, keeping our thighs hip-width apart, toes tucked out, and our palms firmly grounded on the mat. Make sure that your wrist, elbow and shoulder are all in a straight line. Now from here, take a deep breath in, lift your head up, chest up and arch your lower back, and exhale. Bring your chin towards your chest and imagine your upper back is trying to reach towards the sky. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift your head up and chest up. Exhale, curve your upper back, pull it towards the sky. Try to touch your chin to the throat. One more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Now go down to child's pose or balasana and relax. Let's move on to the next posture, which is known as the three-legged downward dog or Ekapada Adhomukha Shvanasana. For this, we'll start off in a tabletop position like this. We will tuck the toes in, lift our hips up, try to touch the heels to the mat. Try to push down with your palms. Now from here, lift your right leg straight up and slowly bring it down. Let's do this 2 more times with control and very slowly. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, slowly down. One more time. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Let's repeat this with the other leg. Inhale, left leg up. And exhale, down. 2. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, left leg up. And slowly down. Go down to child's pose or balasana and relax.